I'm Jericho, and I'm going to Thailand. Been to Thailand. That was so fun. I've learned a lot. The culture and also the people. I realize as we grow older, we have this dream destination where we desire to explore the place. Actually, this is my first out of the country. And sobrang saya and sobrang sulit kasi nagsimula sa kwento, nagtugma-tugma yung plano, at naging realidad. And mainit sa Thailand. I think it's 43 degrees. But para sa akin, it doesn't really matter. The thing is, yung enjoy mo kung habang nandun ka.
Within this museum, it's like we're inside the history.
Wait, may nakalimutan akong sabihin. Actually, first time ko lang sasakay sa aeroplano. Yes, it's my first time. And sabi nga nila, there's always a first time. At minsan, yung first time mo, yun yung hindi mo makakalimutan. At siguro ganun talaga yun. Actually, I want to travel anywhere in the world. Alam mo yun, I want to try anything. I've never done it before, as long as it excites me. Sa mundo na to, sobrang dami ko pang dapat matutunan at sobrang dami ko pang dapat mapag-aralan. I want to know more of what this life has to offer. That's it. It's me. I'm Jericho Lustre. So, tara. Samahan niyo ako.